Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So first step, this is like the pre-step. Just take any kind of eyelashes you want. Me, I'm using eyelashes from AliExpress, the best. And then some glue also from AliExpress. And then now you see me putting the first eye before I will explain you on the other side of my face basically. You wanna apply a thin layer of glue to the lash, not too much, not too little, a thin layer. Then you're going to blow the lashes and wait like 30 seconds to 60 seconds till the glue is sticky. Now, I recently tried this method because it's so much easier. I saw this on my favorite YouTuber, Sophiology, and basically, you want to squeeze your face. Is this squeezing? Anyways, you want to start at the bottom, at the end of the lash, and work your way up to the inner corner of your eye to glue your eyelashes to a little bit closer to your real lashes, so the glue doesn't dry up really fast and it will stay on all the eye. Telling you, just hold your the other side of your face like I'm holding, and then just to make sure that you can clearly see your eye really extended, so you can pretty much put your eyelashes on. And you don't have to, you can look straight to the mirror. Me, I look straight to mirror. You can use any kind just to put the eyelashes, but this method is works the best. And then for the final step, just need to squeeze the lashes together for your real lash to do your fake lash. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Ciao.
Say, baby, I love you.